Wonderful CO.
And who is the CO on this?
Who is the CO on this? Oh my gosh, I think it's GSM times 2.
So going with ShareBear64, we're going to Happy Camp, and you brought somebody with you today.
I did. I brought a happy camper, Charlie. Hey, buddy. Charlie, look. Hi, how you doing? You excited to go hiking today? Huh? Feel excited?
But you know how far we're gonna go?
7 miles.
How about that?
All right.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Something that sounds like a pill bottle.
Sounds like a pill bottle, so it's up there.
Look how high it is.
Yeah.
Longer than my fingers.
Okay. So we'll have to fix it. Just kind of out here in the middle of a field.
It's in the middle of a field. Didn't look like there was any place to hide anything, and there basically wasn't.
But one rock, and we got it. Hasn't been found in how long?
October of last year, so 14 months.
So we've got a little bit of a steep descent here. So we're at an earth cache, and I'm not going to show anything because it'll give things away. But let's see if we can figure it out.
Used shale is formed by the burning of petroleum underground.
And the geocache looks like it's seen better days. So, found this one. It was blowing. The cache is round. And it was right in out in the open. So we have gone ahead and protected a little bit better, and we'll let the CO know it's no longer hanging or hangable. It's been a week since we were up here, and we still have fire burning around in Santa Paula. Area here. So we had a couple that took a little while to find, but now what are we doing?
Now we're cooking with gas.
All right, ShareBear64, you need to get some quick caches because we went out of the way, and you found Unhappy Fork.
Unhappy Fork, I did.
And what did you think of that?
Well, the CO's coordinates were spot on. He's amazing. Must have a really good GPS. And appreciating the fact that we've all hiked really far to get here, he basically spoon-fed us the information we needed to get this cache, or should I say fork-fed us.
Very good.
Wonderful CO. Wonderful CO. Wonderful CO.
Oh, very good. Thank you.
Like, oh no, it's just a pile of rocks. And then I'm like, wait a minute.
Something a little unusual.
Just a little, not even that. It's a pretty good fake rock. All right.
All right.
Moving on.
Moving on. So that's the last one in the valley that we got?
That's the last one, at least till we get to the one at the base of the trail by the car where, you know, we need owner maintenance.
Right.
Because, you know, we've got one of those deadbeat COs.
And who is that?
You know, I think it's GSM times 2.
Oh man, that guy's Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde.
Hit and miss, that one.
So Sharon, I said it was going to be 7 miles. It was 12 miles.
Eh.
That's it, huh?
That was close. Close enough for government work.
Very good. And how many geocaches did we get, do you know?
I actually don't.
19 out of 21. So
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
I would not. I would have guessed half that.
Yep.
Wow, that's really good.
Yep, so we had a list of 21 and we got 19 of them.
Wow.
And we could have gotten the other 2, except we were running a little short on time. So, to all of you, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us.